This is a plant called Asyastica gangetica, and it's one of our native Indian plants. You will hardly see it in the gardens. Actually, it's a classical beauty. It's there in our ancient texts and all. And not only it's beautiful, but also it's a culinary. So that leaves and all can be cooked, and it's a very beautiful. It's a perennial. You can once you plant it in a nice place and then you water regularly, the flowering season is quite extended. Otherwise, it kind of little bit dies back, and then only in the rains it comes up. And numerous flowers come up, and then again and again it has a long flowering season. And those these leaves are quite tender and nice to eat. You can add it to your dal and all that. In Kannada it's called mudde soppu. Mudde means it's what we use for the ragi and all, like a kind of a soupy sambar. So this is the Asyastica gangetica, and somebody has grown it along the edge of this little garden. Hardly the garden is 3 or 5 feet, but they've kept this. And it's a garden. Anyone who is interested in these native plants and biodiversity gardens and all can seriously use it. It's a nice garden plant, and low maintenance also. So consider it.